Okay now, okay now, I'm okay now, okay now.
If I could just keep this robe closed, that'd be great.
You can't see it.
Okay.
You can't see past right here. I put it so you can't see your boobies because I don't want to have my boobies all out. Okay. So far, how have you liked everything? The food?
The food in San Jose,
I'm not feeling
yeah. Except for breakfast. Breakfast was delicious.
it. We're staying in a bed and breakfast, so it came with like the Airbnb, and we'll put the link below. It's really, really nice, and the hosts are really nice too.
See. But as far as what you over there doing?
You and this damn C when we was in the cab last night. You kept saying
See, senor. See. But like we went to a carnival yesterday. I guess a little local carnival that they have every once in a while. I don't guess you got them every day. And we ate the food there, and it wasn't that good.
And we had a street taco.
And it was so weird.
It was like
Coleslaw.
coleslaw on top of a taquito. It was really different.
But it wasn't good different.
It wasn't. We should look up like some actual Costa Rican food.
And
Because
look
that was
for
more
it.
like a try to do Mexican, and it did not work.
But other than food,
Yeah,
how's your stay been going? It's been great.
I like the people. I feel like I'm brushing up on my Spanish skills really, really well, especially for it to be so early. And like literally everybody is nice. Like it's like they like way of life is to be nice.
Pura vida.
Pura vida. And I like it.
Pura vida means pure life, for those who may not know. Shade. Yeah, everyone's super nice. Haven't got a bad vibe from someone yet, so.
And more people speak, well, not really everybody, but we've run into quite a few people who speak English and like speak it well.
Yeah.
So where are we gonna go next?
Very good question. Like after, like today, or like after we leave San Jose?
After we leave San Jose. We only booked like 3 hotels for a 2-week stay.
I hope my mom doesn't watch this. Mom, we're fine, I promise.
Why are you lying to me?
Because Mom will freak out. Like, she wants us to be completely planned, but she don't understand that's not the pure vida way.
Your powers will be stripped away. That's what you're trying to say.
We got to live the pure vida way and just backpack and just find life wherever we go.
Not find life.
For real. More life. It's bad.
More life, more everything.
You know, the more you hang out with someone, the more you start acting like them. It's kind of how it is when you drink. Let's go out. Jesus. Speaking of Jesus, we had a really good talk by the poolside. Just about not just Jesus, but like Christianity and religion all over the world, you know, how different cultures interpret it differently. And it's just really interesting. Are you gonna get flagged if we get going?
No.
Okay.
You said religion, just not race.
Okay. Well, yeah. Different cultures interpret Christianity differently. And just the fact that we grew up only knowing the American way of Christianity. So it's just interesting. I'm interested, and I think she is too, to learn more about like Christianity around the world and how they view it, and how just like go to the source of it and really see like what's real, what's fake, what have we been brainwashed about, what have we not been brainwashed about, you know?
I think I like just learning about religion in general, because I find that a lot of them have a lot more similarities than differences. It's like, you know how like when you was little, every TV show had like a moral to it? That's kind of how I feel about like different things. It's interesting seeing like how the moral to the story, so to speak, changes based on where you are.
Yeah. But as far as where we're going after this, we're kind of deciding we're still deciding, but with some options are Monte Verde La Fortuna? Maybe, maybe not.
Yeah, we should try to find the buses.
Yeah, that's what we need to do. Find bus routes to somewhere, because
Because if we don't know what time we're leaving, that's gonna be difficult.
right. And checkout up here is 12.
Oh,
so,
that's good.
yeah, so we can. I think we should figure out the buses tonight, so we can just be ready to leave when it's time to go.
Not walking around with backpack confused.
Yeah,
Sounds good.
like you want to.
No.
Okay.
No, I don't.
This girl is adventurous, y'all.
I am adventurous, but I'm not stupid. That sounds scary.
You don't go in the middle of the road or thumbs up. Can you take us to Monte Virgo?
You trying to hitchhike?
No, girl.
Oh, I was gonna say more than
Never that.
Well, I thought about hitching.
Not that way.
It's like the laziest makeup ever.
Yeah.
We both lazy. We tired.
Not just that, but like something about being out here just makes you look fresh. It does. You don't need a lot of makeup.
It's true. I know what you're saying.
Plus, when you put me on her bomb skin routine,
I had to get my life together, y'all. I was going through it. I'm like addicted to serums now. Jackie Ina put me on. And like serums have changed my life. Serums and toners have changed my life. I'm like halfway to the Korean skincare routine.
I'm being real together right now using my phone.
I'm using my palette, mirror. This has become a thing. I don't think I've done my makeup in a real mirror in a second.
It's possible. Oh, you usually do it like...
I'm not makeup. I haven't been wearing very much, and when I do, I've been on the go. So
You don't even use a mirror.
yeah, typically I just use this mirror that comes with the palette. Well, Ray Ray did her thing with this palette. I know I'm late, but she's not. Is that behind her? Oh,
You did not. You know why I have our mini fridge.
oh, okay. You put your cup in here?
It wasn't chill.
Comment below if you would go backpacking, like if you would be down to do like a not so planned vacation, or if you think we're crazy. I want to know. Comment below.
Also, comment below if you've ever been in a situation where you are a planner and you wanted to plan a trip, but your friend is more of an adventurer and feels like, we can plan it when we get there.
I feel attacked. Y'all my subscribers, y'all better be on my side.
Yeah, every Airbnb that we're gonna be at, it's because of me.
It really is. If it was me, we wouldn't have had none. We got here and lived pure beauty. But I do like this one though, to be honest.
This is so beautiful.
It is beautiful and it's reasonably priced.
It really is. You done?
Gonna clean up my eyebrows? Done.
You do that super fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. What you doing?
Come here.
Puta.
I knew you
Wait.
were gonna. It's fine, bitch.
I didn't mean to call him that. I meant to say like
She's
puta.
so disrespectful.
Do the darker one. I'm gonna do very minimal under eye.
Oh, like a concealer.
Is there a sparkle on my head or am I tripping? Like
It's a sparkle.
just leave
It's
it there?
cute, yeah.
Okay. I don't want to mess it up. Mess up my waves.
I was trying to like let my just do like a natural brow, but it's not possible. I never thought there was like really a difference between different types of mascara, but I'm definitely a volume over length girl. Cause I got a lengthening mascara and I feel like it's doing nothing.
I like length.
Really?
Yeah. Well, probably because my eyebrows are already thick as hell. I was combing my eyebrows.
With a real comb.
They needed to be combed.
I always go for my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, but I'm got a little extra time. I think so I'm gonna do.
Why'd you look at me?
Cause you're still blending.
Yeah, you got time.
Okay, I'm gonna do a different lip today. I'm gonna use this Glow with the Flow Lip Shine from Collab Makeup. I bought it because Raven released collabs with Collab Makeup for Sally Beauty, and I'm a hairstylist, so I go there a lot. And I picked up a few items, and this gloss is really, really good. But I bought it for Raven, to be quite honest. It could have been terrible. I still would have bought it. This is the NYX lip liner in brown, and then I'm just gonna put the gloss in the middle. It's sticky, but it's really, really shiny. Come here.
You didn't even show him off to the camera and they don't want to meet him.
No.
This is our friend. What else? Oh, my mascara.
Yeah. She got some good mascara too.
So I had this. You need to promote my product.
Go for it.
Yay. So I have this Lancome. You can tell who does makeup and who doesn't. I have this Lancome Super Enhancing Mascara Base.
I have that too. I love that thing. It's white.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And it's white, so you feel like it's gonna be white on your lashes, but then once you put your mascara on, baby, you can't see that white. And your lashes are 20,000 times better. Like magic. Well, I mean, tell the people more about how you feel here. Tell them about the other destinations we'll be at. For sure.
So we flew into San Jose and we decided to.
They be speeding up these long, steep hills like.
We flew into San Jose and we decided to stay here for a few days, and just kind of get our bearings straight. When you're traveling through Costa Rica, a lot of the buses make you come through San Jose, so we kind of wanted to get a feel for this city since it's kind of like a central place, and then like branch out from there. So the cities that I'm most excited about would be Puerto Viejo, which is on like the Caribbean side. It's like the more Caribbean vibe